You've worked your entire life to build your retirement savings, and now, with the world in such economic turmoil, it's more important than ever to make sure that money is protected. Look around at the news. Inflation is still running rampant. The banking system feels less secure than ever, and the stock market seems unpredictable. For those with millions in savings, these concerns don't just keep them up at night. They drive them to make big decisions. But there's a select group of people who seem to be way ahead of the game. Ultra-wealthy families. You won't see them panic selling their assets in a downturn, and they're not watching the volatility of the markets with nervous eyes. Why? Because they've already taken steps to protect their wealth. And one of the biggest tools they're using is a gold IRA. So let me tell you about James and Sarah from Phoenix, Arizona. A few months ago, they found themselves in a similar position to where you might be now, concerned about what the future holds for their nest egg. With $650,000 saved up in their 401k, they realized that they had to start thinking differently. The economy was showing signs of instability, and they didn't want to risk their hard-earned retirement on something that could easily crash. James remembered hearing about gold IRAs from some wealthy friends, and he began researching how they could use gold as a hedge against the uncertainty they were facing. What he found was that gold has historically been a safe haven during periods of inflation and financial instability. So, they decided to take action, rolling over part of their 401k into a gold IRA. Now let me pause for a moment and address the elephant in the room. Many people think gold IRAs are just for the super rich, that it's a complicated process, or that it's too late to get started. But that's simply not true. In fact, gold IRAs are available to anyone with a qualifying retirement account, and the process is easier than you might think. Here's why it works. Gold, unlike paper assets like stocks or bonds, is a tangible asset that has historically held its value through economic crises. While stocks can crash and the dollar can lose its purchasing power, gold stands the test of time. Even in times of uncertainty, it's been a trusted store of wealth, and ultra-wealthy families know this. So they use gold to protect the purchasing power of their assets for generations to come. Take a look at the headlines from just this year. Inflation is still a major concern, and with potential economic slowdowns, no one can predict how long it will last. Banks are tightening lending, and the stock market swings are leaving many retirees in a vulnerable position. But guess what? The wealthy have been diversifying their portfolios for years, and gold is a big part of that strategy. So, what does that mean for you? James and Sarah weren't the only ones to make this move. In fact, there are thousands of retirees just like them who are seeing the benefits of moving a portion of their savings into a gold IRA. And you don't have to be a millionaire to do it. If you've got at least $100,000 in your IRA or 401k, now is the time to take action. Don't wait until the next financial crisis hits. Take control of your retirement by diversifying your savings with gold. The best part? You can start with a free, no obligation consultation to learn more about how a gold IRA can fit into your plan. If you're serious about securing your future and ensuring your nest egg is protected, just click the link below for your free gold IRA guide and consultation. No pressure, no gimmicks. Just honest one-on-one education to see if this strategy is right for you. Remember, this is about protecting your legacy. Your savings weren't built overnight, and they shouldn't be put at risk by a volatile market. If you're ready to make a smart, secure move for your future, now is the time to get started. Click below, and let's see if a gold IRA could be the right solution for you. You've earned the peace of mind to know your retirement is protected, and it starts with a simple educational call. Let's talk soon.